We are now entering our comprehensive copper and aluminium warehouse located in Zhejiang province. This facility serves as our flagship multi-category display and fulfillment center in East China. Unlike our 3 specialized single metal warehouses, which focus on depth within one material, this comprehensive warehouse is designed to cover the full spectrum of both copper and aluminium products under one roof. Here you will find virtually every major category: copper busbar, copper rod, copper strip and foil, aluminium plate, aluminium profile, aluminium busbar, aluminium coil, sheet and foil, as well as associated accessories and fittings. While the quantity of any single specification may not match the depth of our dedicated specialized warehouses, the breadth of categories and specifications available in one location is unmatched. This structure provides maximum flexibility for clients who require multiple material types on the same project or order. The warehouse maintains a permanent on-site inventory of approximately 2,000 tons, ensuring immediate availability for the vast majority of standard and commonly requested specifications. We offer on-site precision cutting services for both copper and aluminium, allowing delivery of exact lengths and dimensions according to project requirements on the same day. Retail-size transactions are supported without complications. Clients can purchase full lengths, cut pieces, or mixed specifications in a single order. All orders confirmed before 1500 can be shipped within 24 hours nationwide, using our dedicated fleet and long-term logistics partners. In the rare event that a specific item is temporarily out of stock locally, the shortage is immediately escalated through our internal OA system, triggering automatic replenishment from one of our 3 specialized warehouses, typically arriving within 24 to 48 hours. This interconnected replenishment mechanism effectively transforms the comprehensive warehouse into a front-end node, backed by over 20,000 tons of total group inventory. For large-scale projects that involve both copper and aluminium, consolidating procurement through this single facility significantly reduces coordination time, logistical complexity, and supply chain risk. The layout you see, high bay racking, wide aisles, multiple loading docks, is optimized for rapid order picking and simultaneous handling of multiple truckloads. Every pallet position is managed in real time through our WMS, ensuring full traceability from mill certificate to final delivery. In summary, this comprehensive warehouse is not simply a storage location. It functions as a strategic inventory hub that combines breadth, speed, flexibility, and cutting capability in a way that our specialized warehouses by design cannot replicate alone. For clients executing complex projects across East China and the Yangtze River Delta, it serves as the most efficient single point of supply for multi-material, non-ferrous metal requirements. We are standing by to support your next project with material from this facility.